In a world that's always changing, some things remain timeless. For 60 years, the Capri Drive-In has been a beacon of our community. It's a place where small moments turn into lasting memories. Perhaps it's where you shared your first date, or your first kiss, or where every glance exchanged felt like the start of something extraordinary. Perhaps it's where you create cherished moments of laughter and playful popcorn fights with your children and grandchildren. Or maybe you were the kid playing football and soccer while waiting for the movie to begin. It's these moments, the shared giggles, the whispered conversations, the cozy embraces, that become the stories we tell again and again. So as we celebrate our 60th anniversary, we invite you to join us in creating new memories at the Capri Drive-In.